My friends, today I stand before you, not as someone seeking fame or accolades, but as someone who believes in the power of unity, courage, and perseverance. I know the road has been long and the journey hard, but I stand here today urging you to stand tall with me. We must recognize that progress is not always immediate. It often comes in waves, and sometimes it feels like we are stuck. But in those moments, remember this: the arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends toward justice. Do not let fear hold you back. Do not let the obstacles you face or the setbacks you experience make you believe you cannot achieve greatness. Every challenge is an opportunity for you to rise, to shine, and to prove that no matter the odds, you can stand tall, stand strong, and never stop striving for what is right. We may face adversity and we may stumble, but we must never give up on our dream of a better tomorrow. When one of us is brought low, we all must rise together. For every person who dares to stand for what is right, the world moves one step closer to justice, to peace, and to equality. So let us continue to march forward with hope in our hearts and strength in our hands. Let us build the future that we dream of. Let us never forget that while the road may be difficult, our destination is worth every single step. Together, we can achieve it. Together, we will achieve it. The dream lives in us all, and it's up to us to make it a reality.